Barak Football Club made history by winning the inaugural Nagaland Super League NSL trophy with a 3-1 victory over Lungchok FC in a thrilling final at Chumakitima Football Stadium. Apex Stadium witnessed the intense showdown with tickets selling out days before. Barak FC dominated possession early while Lungchok relied on counter-attacks. Despite several chances, the first half ended goalless. The deadlock broke in the 52nd minute when Mankolan jersey number 44 scored, igniting celebration among Barak FC supporters. Toka jersey number 20 doubled the lead in the 65th minute, and substitute Lun Kuki jersey number 66 sealed the win with a third goal late in the match. Lungchok FC captain K. Asumi jersey number 9 scored a consolation goal in the 95th minute, but Barak FC held firm to claim the victory. Emotions ran high at the final whistle as Barak FC players celebrated the triumph, while Lungchok FC showed great sportsmanship in defeat. Kanumdi jersey number 23 of Barak FC was named Man of the Match. With this win, Barak FC not only secured the NSL title but also earned a spot in the I-League qualifiers, marking a new era for Nagaland football and inspiring young players to dream big.
You won the league. How do you feel about it?
Me along with my co-owners of Barak Football Club, we are super excited. Our hard work of almost 3 months have paid off today. And this is not by our talent or by our strength, but Barak, since 2006, we always started by the foundation of believing in God and leaning on God. So, first of all, I want to praise God for this wonderful victory. And I also want to thank NSL for giving us a beautiful show, a beautiful platform, and giving all our players this opportunity to come and show their talents and be spotted by all over the nation and abroad. So we are very, very, very excited. I mean, I cannot express much now because I'm super excited. And on behalf of my co-owners and the whole entire Barak football family, would like to thank everyone, especially all the enthusiastic fans that we have been having. So I want to thank all of them. It's because of them that we have come this far. So yeah, thank you very much.
So what do you have to say about the turn-up, your supporters who have been supporting the club throughout the league?
Yes. Yeah, Barak Football Club, being a club very old, since 2006, we have a very strong fan base now. So whenever Barak plays, we're so blessed to have all the neighboring villages and even from the Dimapur town, Chumukedima, all gather to support Barak. So we're very, very, very blessed to have a strong fan base, and we urge the request and pray that the fans continue to support us, because without them, Barak would not be where it is today. Thank you.
Sir, now that you have won the, I believe it's safe to say, the most competent title, football title in the state.
Yes.
Now you have an opportunity to play in the I-League, which obviously Barak, if it plays so, will be the first team from the state to play in I-League. So,
Yes.
any future plans for that, sir?
Yeah, we're mentally prepared for that. That is one of the main reasons why we came into participating in this first NSL in Nagaland. And yeah, since we have won this trophy, first NSL League, we have plans to take the further step to I-League. And for that, we will be needing support from the government and also the NSL and all the organizations of our state. And of course, we have a strong team, so we will work on that. And yes, we are ready to go ahead.
Respond in Hindi, okay, sir. Sir, now your team have won the NSL League. So, your expression on that, sir?
First, thanks to God, because of God blessing us. That's why we win match na. Thank you. Or mukha laga ito preparation to moi itu din bi one news te question to na, because mukha long throw te hara tu itu due to champion na itu ase holebi we are trying best na.
Sir, ita apne ala football club to I-League te khilole chances ase. Also, the team owner has said that they have plans to expand the club and then play in I-League. If they offer you the contract if they offer you to extend the contract and be as a coach in the I-League, will you be able to do that?
Actually, ये साल ये सुपर लीग खत्म होने से हम रिटायर कर लेगा बोलकर, because मेरा 57 years हो गया. I am an ex-national player, former Indian player. I represent 1990 Indian team. Jawaharlal Nehru Gold Cup 93 or under 1990 Jakarta Indonesia Asian Youth Championship. हम Tata Football का first batch, Tata Football Academy Jamshedpur, first batch है हम.
Thank you so much.
What do you have to say on the way?
What can I say? This is in terms of my footballing career or coaching career, this is the joyous moment. This is the happiest day of my life. We worked hard for this moment, and we got it all thanks to our God. We prayed a lot, we worked hard, we put everything that is in us, and this is the result. Yeah, thank you.
Now, I-League is the next question.
Yeah.
Is your team ready? Is your team prepared? for
Yeah,
that?
yeah. We will put on more. We'll get more players from the outside as well. And I can't guarantee that all the players will from this team will be there, but we'll look forward that we go to the next level.
Okay.
You won the league.
Right.
क्या बोलेगा?
क्या बोलेगा? I don't know how to put into words. Yeah, the emotions there's running out into our minds. You know, I think we thoroughly deserve this. Yeah, we thoroughly deserve this. You know, no disrespect to anyone, but we thoroughly deserve this. We deserve this match to win. We are absolutely happy. Right.
Now, the club owner has given a clue, a hint that I-League is the next trophy. So, are you prepared physically, mentally?
Let's see. That's just the word coming out backside. If it's once it's official, we'll start our preparations. We are not quite sure if the same set of players will be together. Can't guarantee on that, but regardless of anything, you know, if it's out, if it's confirmed that we'll be heading there, we'll be getting promoted there, then we'll, you know, come back, train, prepare for what's up.
One last question. What do you have to say about your opponent, today's opponent?
Massive credit to them. They have come a long way Had felt sad for them at one point. They had to play one extra game before facing us in the finals with minimal rest. They did not get 72 hours. For football, playing in high intensity and playing in crucial matches like this, you need at least 72 hours of rest. They had only 48 hours before facing us, and so I felt sad for them. But huge respect to them for turning up to their fans. Also, the atmosphere was crazy. You know, um, the first half was end-to-end, toe-to-toe. They were also giving every drop of energy, but I think they got switched off after the first goal. And for us, we kept on going, and we got rewarded with the 2 goals and thoroughly deserved the champions in the end.
Now, what do you have to say about your supporters who have been supporting you throughout the league from the starting of the day till today?
I don't have any words to put into them. It's just massive for us. They have been crazy since day one of NSL. There were times where we had little setbacks in between, but they never stopped supporting us. The messages everywhere, everything, the messages we received daily online, the support that was coming out in the stadium, and everywhere on social platforms. Huge credit to them. It's only because of them we were able to do this, and this is for them. The trophy is for them.
Many a times in football we see the winning team, the opponent's team, almost all the time boos the winning team. But today it was a different point when your players came and then came around the place where Long Trok supporters were seated. They gave you the Vikings clap. How was it for you?
That was, good respect, and we also had to show our appreciation to them for turning up, not only for their team, but they also supported the football. The game, the football, the most beautiful sport that they love, and we only hope and pray that more and more people will come out in days to come, and if God willing and able, the second season of NSL as well.
Tough luck on the defeat. What do you have to say of the overall game?
First of all, I thank Lord Almighty for this big final. Today's game was not too up to the mark. We have planned something, but it happened something. But it's okay. This is football. One have to win, and we accept our defeat.
As the lineup was announced, we witnessed the captain was not in the list. So, is it because of an injury? What injury has he?
Our captain has a new knee injury. Itu ligament ase hala to. He'll be surgery karne chabo after this week tennis na ase. Itu bra tage lineup te halibole para nai, but it's not about lineup. Mohon la ki thakise, mohon la strength ki thakise, mohon la manu ki ase, mohon itu cholai kena khilise, sob bhal khilise. Holibi aji mohon la 3 thaka nai.
Last minute time that goal which was accepted happily by the crowds. In fact, even the Barracks fans were clapping. Comments
From day one to till now, crowds are supporting us. Without their support, we couldn't have come this far. It's okay. I thank all our supporters. In future, aji mohon ge kina moram kori thakise, aji mohon ge kina ka pray bra physically, mentally support kori thakise. Future mohon ge ina continue support kori thakibi dei koina. Sob logode koi diase.
This season line NSL aja khutum hoise. Next season July once na khobor hoine ase. Apni club te contract agreement extend hoishna kina ka ase.
No comments on this. Till now we are working on this. I will update soon.
If you are given the opportunity to extend the contract, would you be willing to come back as a coach for the Long Trok FC?
Sure, I would love to, and we'll come back stronger.
Manton, tough luck on today's game.
We had a great season from the start, and then yadeda kahagane gushi pase, and ajido mahan starting boy he we didn't get a proper race. Not an excuse, but it was the fact. And then Manla Captain B main player injury did he could not join us. Or that they were a lot down with morally. But then we tried our best. And then in games it happens like one win has to lose. So Manla din aje harise. So we accept it and then we'll come back stronger for the next season. Thank you.
Next season, if the club offers you an extension in your contract, would you accept it and then play for Longtok FC?
For that I haven't decided as of now. Time how busy it is, I don't know.
Have you been contacted by any other club for the next season?
Not yet. Yeah.